guys, good morning. Today is Friday and I'm starting this vlog today, Friday. Kasi puro na lang weekday yung napi-film ko or yung pinifilm ko this past videos. Kaya I wanted to share my week sa vlog. And I planned some activities to do and feeling ko worthy naman siya i-share. Pero hindi pa talaga siya plan. Kasi hindi ko rin alam if magagawa ko siya. Pero I plan things. Pero okay lang naman if hindi siya magawa. I'm still filming this weekend. So, kaninang morning, I woke up pretty early, like 5:30. And around mga 6 is nag-start ako mag-workout. And while working out, I'm watching cartoons which is Gravity Falls. And since Monday ata, nag-watch ako ng Gravity Falls kasi parang na-miss ko yung feeling ng nanonood ng cartoons every morning. And naalala ko lang dati na parang every morning lang napapanood yung cartoon sa TV5 tapos mga Disney pa. So, parang hinihil ko yung inner child ko by watching like cartoons every morning. And okay siya sa pakiramdam kasi parang nami-miss mo yung feeling pero hindi ka talaga yung I can explain it pero somehow like feeling ko bata ulit ako. And then nag-update ako ng Notion ko, gumawa ko ng Earl Grey latte which is ubos na. And today, I plan to run later and then walk. And then baka magkita-kita kami ng mga friend ko. Di pa sure, pero sponty lang din na nagyaya kaninang morning lang. And yeah, yun pa lang yung ano ko sa araw ko. I don't know if that will happen, pero let's see. So yeah, yun lang. take your... Hi guys, so hindi ko masyado na-film yung weekend ko, so I'm extending this vlog. Kasi nung Friday, late, like morning na ako nakauwi ng bahay and wala pa akong sleep noon. So tulog muna ako and then medyo late na rin ako like kumilos kasi nga may hangover or something ganyan. Kasi naginuman kami nung Friday and then nag-rest lang din ako. Sa pagkakatanda ko is nag-watch ako ng Bridgerton or something. And then, masarap kasi matulog kasi lately malamig yung weather kaya I gave in. So yeah. And then, nung Sunday, medyo nakapag-film naman ata ko pero feeling ko hindi enough yung footage ko. So yeah, I'm extending this vlog. And kahapon wala rin naman ako masyadong video. And ayun, nung Sunday, nag-inuman din kami and medyo late na rin kami natapos. And tinapos ko lang din yung Bridgerton kahapon. Yun lang. So right now, I think enough na siya. I think enough na. I mean, okay naman yung day ko ngayon. I started my day around 10 a.m. Kasi again, parang yung plano ko for today is to walk outside in the morning. Kaso ang sarap talaga matulog. So natulog ako and yeah. So ayun, okay naman yung day ko ngayon. Catching up with a lot of things, especially with my Notion. And magka-catch up rin ako sa aking planner and with my journal. So I don't know if today or tomorrow siya, pero yeah, a lot of catching up today. And yeah, yun lang. And gagawa ako ng matcha latte with soy milk. Kasi nung Saturday is bumili ako ng soy milk. So tatry ko siya sa matcha latte. And itatry ko siya with my matcha. So, and kakaubos lang din ng Earl Grey soy ko. So, yeah, yun. And plano ko rin sana is mag-walk outside like afternoon walk. Kaso umuulan. And supposedly, di ba dapat like mainit na, pero grateful naman ako na malamig. So, yeah, yun lang. Gagawa na ako ng matcha latte. So, hindi na ata ako gagawa ng matcha latte. Kasi, may taho pala ako. Binilan ako kanina ng mami ko and lola ko. And, di ko siya nakain ng morning. So, chinil ko na lang muna siya sa fridge. And, ito na lang muna kakainin ko.
Ginger.
Hi guys! Tapos ko lang mag-shower and it's already nighttime and nag-shower ako kasi nag-workout ako kanina and wala din naman ako masyadong ginawa around afternoon hanggang gabi. So usually morning talaga yung parang busy part ng aking day. So, parang I'm trying to come up with siguro a new plan next week where like I can be productive sa hapon and sa gabi. Though productive naman yung hapon and gabi ko, it's just that parang most of it hindi ko, like, kung ano yung na-plan ko ahead, is hindi ko siya nagagawa. Pero, okay lang din naman ako doon. And yeah, siguro, like, aayusin ko yung plans ko for the day next week. And, yeah, yun lang. Okay naman yung araw ko today. Like, I did most of my planned task. And, ayan, nag-rewatch ako ng series which is Sex and the City. And dula lang kasi parang every year ko ata siya nire-rewatch. Kasi naalala ko last year, nire-watch ko ulit siya. Pero parang hindi ko siya natapos. So parang bala ko ngayon is every morning ko siya iwa-watch or pati gabi. And then sa mga parang midday is mag-watch ako ng movie. So yun kasi everyday ako nagwa-watch ng movie. Ay, din pala. Parang midday, nag-watch ako ng movie. Kaya nanonood ako ng YouTube. So, yeah, yun lang. Basically, parang yung araw ko is catching up with things and watching. So, yun lang. And then, I'm about to read this, book din pala. Kasi, it's been how many months since I started this one. Hindi ko pa rin siya natatapos. Like, I'm planning to finish this one ngayong month. I still have, 13 days pa naman to finish. And I think manageable naman siya. So, yeah. Yun lang. Just gonna read my book. And then, hanggat sa makatulog na ako. So, yun lang for this vlog. Actually, hindi ko So, yun lang. Bye.